To Mommy. And there's all the babies. In the light that we've got right now, they look almost all black and white. And you can see this one looks a little brown, but they're all tricolor. Oh. They're all doing absolutely wonderful. Yeah, the thing is, she has 7 babies and she has 7 teats. Yeah. Hey, Pumpkin. And they're all doing great. Of course, Mommy's on awesome food, and of course, she's on her. It's a milk replacement for puppies or lactating mums. It gives them more calcium and that, and she has, her milk is so rich, it's almost yellow. So they've already put on weight. They're not the skinny little sausages that came out anymore. They got pretty good bellies, but God, too many trying to get in here too. There was one of them that we had to work on pretty hard while the vet and the vet tech was working on Meeka, because they did her C-section, and as they were bringing out the babies, my grandson Cody, big guy, was with me, and they brought the babies to us. We were just outside the operating room in another little operating space, and we had to get the babies out of the sack. They were still in the sack and everything, and all they had done was pretty much forced off their cord. So we had to get them out of their sacs with the umbilical fluid and everything, and five out of the 7 had meconium births. That means that they were old enough to poop, to have a bowel movement inside mom. So they were probably the first ones, and then the last 2, the other 2 were probably, because it was weird how she got pregnant, because they had pants on, but Parker ended up figuring out how to get his off by rubbing his back up underneath my bed and got the Velcro caught on the material under there, and it came off on him. So one weekend they mated, and how the heck did he figure out how to get his pants off? And I only go up and watch TV in my room when the guys are watching hockey all day in the living room, which is what was happening. So I turned around, and I was up there for 2 weekends watching some TV. So the first weekend is when it happened. The second weekend is when I found out how it happened. But but I gotta go now. Have a great day.